How many times has this happened to you? Your alarm clock goes off, and it's time to get up, but it's just so difficult. So you keep hitting snooze until you're running out of the house last minute. You've tried putting your alarm across the room, but you still find yourself back in bed. If only there were a way to get your lazy ass to wake up and stay up. Well, now there is.
Huh?
That's right, introducing the human alarm clock.
Wow!
From the geniuses who brought you hoverboards, the human alarm clock is the first of its kind. It's an alarm clock in uniquely lifelike human form. It looks like a human, but only has one primary function.
What's that?
To wake you the hell up. Simply tell the human alarm clock when you would like to wake up.
5 a.m.
Alarm set for 5 a.m. will activate at 5 a.m.
Now go to sleep. When it goes off, you'll be sure to wake up.
How do I turn it off?
Simple. Just say off.
Off. Off. Off.
Snooze activated.
Snooze? But how do I turn it off?
Excellent question. You don't. The human alarm clock has selective hearing.
Seriously?
But it got you out of bed, right?
Yeah?
The human alarm clock is great for even the heaviest sleepers. So call now. The human alarm clock can be yours for just 3 easy payments of $49.99. And that's not all. For a limited time only, since you're so freaking lazy, we'll add 3 more features to your human alarm clock, including teeth brushing, ass wiping, and coffee making.
I got it. Thank you. Thank you.
The human alarm clock. You may never sleep again. But don't take our word for it. Let's hear what our satisfied customer had to say.
The human alarm clock totally changed my life. I mean, I may be suffering internal bleeding and some severe bruising because of it, but I feel more productive now than I've ever been. Thanks, human alarm clock. Oh God. Is that blood?
The human alarm clock. May spontaneously burst into flames at any given time. Not for women who are nursing, pregnant, or may become pregnant. Ask your doctor if the human alarm clock is right for you. Not for children under the age at which they can defend themselves. Order now.
Nah,
Yeah.
how do you fuck Nah, that's it. It's so bullshit.
I'm sorry.
This bitch.
I know.
Now these fucking cuddles gonna beat the shit out of you.
I'm gonna be dying. I'm sorry. It's just too funny. Wow.